ever going for a European or a British record or a district record within your country, think about putting that extra 0.5 on, because it could always help your total. So Jure Rus, final squat of the day. This for another new European squat record.
And based on his last one, I think this is on.
Oh, he wasn't anywhere near his limit, was he?
Not his limit at all. It was up nice and smooth.
The Slovenian dentist, already the squat gold medalist, already the new European record holder, looks to put another 4 kilos on the record. Owen Hubbard's record is no more. The hall is silent.
Kept is good.
He's working, it's going up. Oh, let's see what they say.
I think it's a new European record.
It's a good lift, 2 to 1. And Jure Rus sets another European record. What a way to end the session. Few words, Ralph, before we go to a break.
Dear me. Yeah. Oh, look
Speechless.
at that. There's absolutely. We are watching some quality.
Yeah.
Quality powerlifting.
And of course, we've seen it as